pas, il y a. Je vous appelle.
Coach, get the His Excellency, welcome and a lot of applause for him, please. A lot of applause for him. Thank you so much.
I don't know that they're gone. They're not coming. I do. Okay, you don't put it there,
On behalf of Mr. Governor, I want to thank them for organizing this football tournament, Tag Victory football tournament. And I also want to thank the Nigeria International Stars that also honored the invitation of the organizers. And you can see one of the facilities that we built. This is one of the 20 mini stadiums that we have built around schools in Edo. And you can see how beautiful it is. Natural grass. I think it was a launching of it also. So I want to thank God for the match, injury-free and victory match. And Team Obaseki actually won the match. We are waiting for the Nigerian national, the NNL and the MPFL to lift band, and the Presidential Task Force to lift band for football tournament to start again. Insurance and Edo Queen, they are actually ready. We have a strong team, both Insurance and Edo Queen. We are just waiting for them to lift the ban on combat sports. And when they do that, we are sure of Insurance bouncing back to the elite league and our Edo Queen winning all the laurels that are available to be won. I thank God because during the election, Edo people were wonderful. They were oppressed, they were intimidated, but they stood their ground. And the only thing we can do is to do the will of God, which is the will of the people, as we move into the second term.
You enter my short. Huh? Your talk enter my video.
Now me and my friends, Sonny Osanyede, now I put this together to celebrate the victory of Godwin Obaseki. And we look and say, it's good, may we put this kind of thing together. More invite us internationals to come and join us for the celebration. We did the mood of celebration. That is why you see this. More of this one will they come. We still expect more. Since we already win now, win, we will win the goal. Since Obaseki don't win, today we don't still win. Tomorrow we go still win.
for playing for this victory match, you will know that I am very, very, very happy. That's why for them picking me at all, make I be part of the team. Now correct Ogbonge, my boy belle dey jollificate. Say when two teams play, one must win. So and then win for real this thing. They can't see come inside team, they can't see beat us. That be the correct thing, and I be say them be winner all the way.
Deputy governor team we play against now. How you expect say make we come win deputy governor? And besides, now their victory we come celebrate. So if we beat them, you know good now. And when you look their side, Kanu one quarter there, Taribo West did there, Mutiu Adepoju did there. So we too we get some former ex-internationals so when also sabi play ball, but you could see that it be like saying that their team now get the bigger stars. So you know, so this might not be competition, now just to make we celebrate the victory of the governor and the deputy governor, and you know go good say we can't beat them on top, say now their victory we dey celebrate. So altogether, Sha, it was a very good match. I no expect say I go ever share the pitch with such legends like Kanu and Taribo, but today all of us play together, so I happy say I participate for the match.
The match it sweet me well because it don't tell the people say the glory of sport if they come back to Edo State. If you watch, the state government they build mini stadium for all local governments of the state, so that one a clear example. Then if you consider the Ogbonge stadium wey is still build, in fact that na one thing. Me na football referee, so we want wetin go develop football in the state, and those things wey you see here this afternoon na reflection of the good thing wey wan happen to Edo State football. So we thank Governor Godwin Obaseki, e deputy wey score goal today. You know say na striker, he be deputy and he still dey play professional football. So this one na just small thing for am.